Hi, I'm going to show you how to make these Christmas tree ornaments. I used medium worsted yarn, an H hook. You can use beads or pearls with make sure there is a hole in the center. Needle and I use like a size 10 thread. This is an easy project to do, great for beginners. Okay, so let's get started. You're going to do a chain count of 4. So pull yarn over and pull through, and then work a single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Insert your hook, grab the yarn, pull through, and then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So single crochet, and then it's going to look like this. And then you're going to make a strip, like a long strip. So you're going to turn your work and work a single crochet in the next 3 stitches and then turn. And then you'll just repeat this on and on for a very long strip, so you can fold it back and forth and insert your pearls or your beads in the center. So you're just going to turn and then keep turning and working your single crochet in the next 3 stitches. And that's it. It's pretty easy for this part of it. You're just going to make a long strip. So I did about 60 rows, and if you want to go longer you can. Then at the very end I'm going to yarn over, pull through to stop this row, and like I said, about 60 to 65 rows. And then you'll weave in those ends at the end. You can do it now or you can do it at the end. It's going to look like this, a long strip. And then you're going to fold it back and forth and get smaller as you go up. So fold it long that way a few inches, and then you're going to run your bead through and then fold it again. So then run your bead through again on the yarn, which is like a size 10 thread yarn, and then my beads are just little silver beads. You can use any type of beads to make it fun. And then you're going to fold it 2 pieces together, but you're going to get a little bit smaller as you go up to make it look like a tree. And then you're going to run your thread through and then place another bead inside, and then you just keep doing that until you get to the very top. Just go back and forth. Now you're going to run the thread and needle through all of the beads to secure it, and just go straight down and through and then tie a knot, and that will secure all the ends. Now at the end you can create a little loop to hang on the tree, and then the little ornament is complete. And you can make this bigger if you like with a thicker yarn, more rows, and you can add any type of beads on it that you like, and then you can hang it on your tree. This is a great beginner project, great for kids and beginners. Well, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.